Namaste Gurukunians, how are you? I hope that you will be fit and fine. As you know that we are going to start 6th class, chapter number 3rd from history section in the earlier city. From the two chapters, the previous two chapters, you have read that in this chapter we studied that how the people lived in the past, how they was living, and he was totally dependent on the raw meat, and after the invention of fire he learned how to make the meat. And you know that if he stayed at one place, the total food was consumed, so that's why he had to move another place. क्योंकि अगर वो एक ही स्थान पर रहता था तो सारा सारा जो भोजन था वो कंजप्ट कर लेता था, उसको उपभोग कर लेता था, इसलिए उसको दूसरे स्थान पर जाना पड़ता था. आफ्टर सम टाइम ही हैड इन्वेंटेड हाउ टू ग्रो क्रॉप्स, and after growing he came to know that it is the easy way than the previous. जब उसने फसलें उगाना सीख लिया तो उसको इस चीज का आभास हुआ कि जो तरीका वो पहले यूज करता था, कच्चा मांस खाता था, जानवरों को मारता था, उसके बाद पकाता था, तो वो एक डिफिकल्ट टास्क था, उसमें रिस्क रहता था. लेकिन जब देन आफ्टर दिस ही हैड इन्वेंटेड हाउ टू ग्रो क्रॉप्स एंड इट इज अ इजी वे, और ये अच्छा एक साधारण तरीका था उसको कंज्यूम करने का, उसको उपभोग करने का. एंड दैट्स व्हाई ही हैड स्टार्टेड टू ग्रो क्रॉप्स, एंड एज ही ग्रो क्रॉप्स ही स्टार्टेड टू सेटल एट वन प्लेस. जब उसने फसलें बोना शुरू कर दिया तो उसने एक ही स्थान पर रहना शुरू कर दिया, और जैसे जैसे वो एक स्थान पर रहता रहता चला गया, इट बिकम्स इट टुक द शेप ऑफ सेटलमेंट्स. तो ये जो चीजें थी उन्होंने सेटलमेंट का, बस्ती का या किसी कबीले का रूप ले लिया. दैट्स इन दिस वे द न्यू settlements were established, and these settlements growing and after growing it took the shape of cities. So in this chapter we are going to read in the earlier city. It means सबसे जो पुराने, it means जो सबसे पहले के शहर थे उनके बारे में हम चैप्टर में रीड करेंगे. So what we are going to read in this chapter? First of all, I am going to note down. I am going to write down the points that we will go through in this chapter. कि जो इस चैप्टर में हम बातें करेंगे, जो इस चैप्टर में हम स्टडी करेंगे, उसके बारे में बताता हूँ. The first point is the story of Harappa. The first is the story of Harappa's discovery. That point we will discuss in this chapter. Second point, what we will going to discuss in this chapter, what was special about, what was special about these cities. Third point, life in the cities. The fourth point is new crafts in the city. New crafts in the city, comma. Next is food and raw materials. Next, a closer look. A closer look. Harappan town. Harappan towns in Gujarat in Lothal. Gujarat in Lothal. And the last is mystery of the end. And in elsewhere section, we will discuss pyramids. We will discuss about pyramids. So these will be the points of ours during the continuation of this chapter. First, we will discuss about the discovery of Harappa. Second, we will discuss what was special about these cities, the cities with the earlier city, what was specialty about these cities. Third is life in the cities, what type of life in these cities, how did they live. Next is new craft in the city, what were their craft, how did they make other things, food, raw materials. So we will discuss this. Fifth point is closer look of Harappan towns in Gujarat. There are towns Dholavira, Lothal. Okay, these are the towns that found the Harappan village in the Gujarat, and we will also take a closer look of these cities. And last is mystery of the end. How did this civilization end? What were the points? What were the opinions of the historians about this? So we will also discuss about this. And in elsewhere section, we will discuss about pyramids. So this will be our points in this chapter. So first of all, I am going to take the first point, that is the story of Harappa discovery. जो हड़प्पा सभ्यता थी उसकी क्या हिस्ट्री थी, क्या स्टोरी थी, क्या कहानी थी, कैसे वो सभ्यता हाईलाइट है. सो यू नो दैट फर्स्ट 150 years ago, first when the railway lines were being laid down in Punjab, the engineers found old buildings of Harappa. What is first found 150 years. 150 years. What was happened? 150 years ago, when engineers when railway lines were being laid down in Punjab, we are not talking about the modern day Punjab, it is about the modern day Pakistan. Now this Punjab is in Pakistan. Okay, they took bricks from the old buildings of Harappa. तो क्या हुआ कि आज से 150 साल पहले जो इंजीनियर थे, जब हम सॉरी आज से 350-400 साल पहले जब अंग्रेज हमारे भारत पर शासन कर रहे थे, अंग्रेज हमारे भारत में थे, सो दे स्टार्टेड अ न्यू इन्वेंशन. व्हाट वाज द न्यू इन्वेंशन? रेलवे लाइंस वर बीइंग लेड डाउन. रेलवे लाइनें बिछाई जा रही थी. एट दैट टाइम स्टीम इंजन वाज इन्वेंटेड एंड इट वाज अ ग्रेट सोर्स ऑफ transportation for the people going one place to another, and it was started by the Britishers in India. So when 150 years ago engineers were being engineers in the inspection of engineer, railway lines were being laid down. So what happened in modern day Pakistan, that is Punjab, they found Harappa. They found a bricks, उन्होंने ईंटें मिली कुछ पुराने भवन में, and they took bricks. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, वो जो ईंटें थी, that is the bricks, वो बड़ी बड़ी ईंटें थी, from the old buildings of the Harappa. उन्होंने क्या किया, वो ईंटें वो वहाँ से उन बिल्डिंगों से ले ली और अपने साथ ले ली. They didn't notice special about only the notice. They noticed they were very solid and they were huge in size. So they took them into their where they have come from. They took them from their places. So उन्होंने ऐसा किया कि वो ईंटें जो थी बिल्डिंग की वो ले गए. So after this what was happened? After this, about 80 years ago, it means after this invention, 150 years ago, it means that is the 350-60 years ago, in 1854 the first rail was started from Pune to Thane, and it was 54 kilometers, and 1854 it was invented. It was the first rail that is been started in India. So after this 150 years ago, they didn't notice about the specialty of these rails, but after this 80 years ago, about 80 years ago, what was done? About 80 years ago, 80 years ago, what archaeologists who are archaeologists who study about the old age things. जो पुरानी जमाने की चीजें होती है उनको स्टडी करने की जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है, जो वर्क करते हैं, दैट इज आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट. आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट फाउंड द साइट वेयर दे फाउंड द साइट. लगभग 80 साल पहले जो आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट थे, जहां पर उन्होंने 150 years ago उनको ईंटें मिली थी, सो दे फाउंड द साइट. वो जगह उन्होंने ढूंढी जहां से उनको वो ह्यूज साइज bricks they found. So they found the site and found it to one of the, and when they study a lot of it, जब उन्होंने इसको बहुत ज्यादा अध्ययन किया, they found it to be one of the oldest sites. It means जितने भी हमारी पुरानी जगह थी, साइट्स थी, तो उनमें सबसे पुरानी जो जगह थी उनको मिली. दैट इज वेयर इट इज फाउंड in Indian subcontinent. In this Indian subcontinent, it means in India, the Indian subcontinent, they found this is the one of the oldest site. तो सबसे पुरानी ये साइट उनको दिखाई दी. And all other sites, were similar, buildings were found where similar buildings were found where similar buildings were found were termed as what they term Harappan development. Harappan developed 4700 years ago. 4700 years ago. Okay, so in this valley civilization coined by John Marshall. Okay, so about 80 years ago archaeologists found the sites. 150 years ago उनको जगह मिली, उन्होंने नोटिस नहीं किया, लेकिन इसी के 80 साल बाद जो आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट थे they found the sites where the engineer of the Britishers has left. They found other sites that were similar to these sites. उन्होंने दूसरी और जगह देखी जो बिल्कुल इसी के जैसी थी, स्ट्रक्चर एक जैसा था, गलियों का साइज एक जैसा था. So these are similar to the first found sites. So they termed this as Harappan development. It means उन्होंने उन सारी साइट्स को एक नाम दे दिया, that is Harappan developed sites. It means these were found 4700 years ago. It means 4700 years ago. If we termed it in BC, that is 3000 years ago, and if we calculate this in carbon dating system, that will be 5000 years ago. It means कि जो कार्बन डेटिंग होती है वो डिफरेंट तरीके से इसको एज्यूम किया जाता है. तो दैट इज इट मींस इट इज ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट 5000 इयर्स. तो ये 5000 साल पुरानी सभ्यता थी. और दैट इज द अदर बिल्डिंग व्हिच वर सिमिलर टू दिस वर कॉइन्ड एज these were termed as Harappan buildings. So the civilization, all the Harappan civilization, Harappan cultures had been civilized under the Indus Valley civilization. This kind of building, this kind of sites given the name Indus Valley civilization. It means Indus Valley क्यों कहा गया है? Because these civilization are all circled around. It means they are grown around the Indus River. Okay, that's why it is called Indus Valley civilization. So Indus Valley civilization is coined by John Marshall. John Marshall ने इसको एक नाम दिया Indus Valley civilization. जो हड़प्पन संस्कृति की, हड़प्पन civilization की जितनी भी सभ्यताएं थी, that is given a name Indus Valley civilization. So that is our first point. Okay, and the second point which I am going to discuss with you, it is also not your syllabus, but I am going to tell you about this because by knowing this you know that how this civilization has been spread in a vast area. कि कैसे छोटी civilization कितने एरिया में फैली, that is the point which I am going to explain you. That is the area of Indus Valley civilization. The area of Indus Valley civilization. The area of Indus Valley civilization. जो Indus Valley civilization थी उसका एरिया कहाँ था? क्योंकि हमने इसको लास्ट लाइन में पढ़ा These all civilizations are termed are coined by John Marshall Indus Valley civilization, Harappan civilization or other civilization, or all are coined by Indus Valley civilization. So first we discuss about northernmost sites. Northernmost sites, what we included, that is in Ropar. Ropar, where it is in modern day India, Punjab. Okay. Second is southernmost sites, where it is southernmost site in Gujarat. Next is westernmost site, that is in westernmost site is Makran Coast. It means where is Makran? It is on Pakistan and Iran border. पाकिस्तान और ईरान बॉर्डर पर एक जगह है मकरान कोस्ट, तो वहां पर वो वेस्टर्न मोस्ट साइट इसकी थी। इट मींस वहां पर वेस्टर्न मोस्ट का मतलब पश्चिम, सबसे ज्यादा पश्चिम एरिया में ये मकरान कोस्ट तक फैली हुई थी। नेक्स्ट इज लास्ट इज ईस्टर्न मोस्ट साइट, ईस्टर्न मोस्ट sites. Easternmost site is where it is easternmost site? Alamgir. Alamgir, where is Alamgir? It is in Hindon UP. What is Hindon? Hindon is a river. On its bank Ghaziabad is located. So these are the sites. These were the northernmost site Ropar Punjab, southernmost site गुजरात तक फैली हुई थी, वेस्टर्नमोस्ट साइट मकरान कोस्ट जो पाकिस्तान और ईरान का बॉर्डर है, ईस्टर्नमोस्ट साइट आलमगीर, हिंडन जो एक रिवर है जिसके ऊपर गाजियाबाद बसा हुआ है, तो वहां तक फैले हुए। तो दीज वर द साइट्स वेयर दिस इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन स्प्रेड एंड द मेन साइट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस द मेन साइट्स व्हिच वी फाउंड इन इंडिया दैट वर व्हाट वर द मेन साइट्स? Main sites in India: Punjab, Lothal, where is Lothal? Gujarat. Next is Mohenjo-daro, that is in Sindh, that is in Pakistan, and the last is Kalibanga. Okay, last one is Kalibanga, that is in Rajasthan, and the last is Dholavira. That is in Gujarat. So these were the main sites of the Indus Valley civilization in Punjab, Lothal, Gujarat, Mohenjo-daro, Sindh, and Kalibanga, Rajasthan, and Dholavira, Gujarat. So these were the main sites of this Indus Valley civilization. So we have discussed till here how did it develop, what were the why it is given the name Indus Valley civilization, how the 80 years ago the archaeologists found these sites and the other sites which are similar to this site they are given the Harappan developed, and this was about 5,000 years ago civilization. And what were the main sites of this? So these were described in southernmost, easternmost, westernmost, northernmost. These were the most areas where this civilization has been spread. And the main sites of this: Punjab, Lothal, Mohenjo-daro, Kaligunga, and Dwarka. So these were the points of this expansion of this civilization.